I'm Paul Nealon, publisher of Fish Sniffer Publications and the Fish Sniffer magazine. For the last 28 years, the whole focus of the Fish Sniffer has been to help people catch more fish. This instructional DVD series is able to show you much more detail than any 1,000-word Fish Sniffer article ever could. Barry's been a guide in the Delta for 40 years, and he's picked up lots of secrets and tips and tactics that he knows nobody else does. Joining Barry will be Cal Kellogg, the Fish Sniffer's own editor. You'll be tagging along with Barry and Cal on Barry's boat in the Delta, and you'll actually see how they catch stripers.
Not bad for 3 minutes of fishing.
If you want to catch more stripers, this is the DVD you've got to have.